मतलब
Cringe.
कुछ भी Tanmay actually creates his ads. This is pathetic.
Cringe.
कुछ भी
Cringe
that.
fest. How the idea turned into action like this.
Pathetic
was
ad. Acid.
Waste of money. Waste of money.
This is worse than the acid reflux I have after.
I don't want to know.
Yeah.
You got it.
Are you ready? Let's begin, right?
सॉरी डॉक।
बनी सफीना
शादी कैसी चल रही है?
मैं बताएगी। आइस बोला था लाने को, लद्दाख चला गया। पूछा फोन पे इतना बिजी बिजी क्यों है, तो क्या बोला तू? हाँ, माउंटेन्स वर कॉलिंग। इतना पहाड़ों के साथ गुलू गुलू करेगा तो धोपतुएंगी ना इसको।
डॉक्टर जहांगीर, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, बस इस घर में रुकना नहीं चाहता।
बट क्यों?
उस दिन सनसेट देखने छज्जे पे चढ़ा, टूट गया। आई डोंट फील सेफ।
हाँ, तू किसने बोला घर की दीवार पे रॉक क्लाइंबिंग करने को?
सफीना बदतमीजी।
समझ गया। मेरे पास आप दोनों की प्रॉब्लम की मेडिसिन है। इसको घर में लगाओगे तो शादी का तो पता नहीं, पर घर पक्का नहीं टूटेगा।
रुंगटा नहीं तो घर स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं। रुंगटा स्टील TMT बार एकदम सॉलिड।
पहाड़ों में एक हाइकिंग शिप भी बन सकती है।
Three movies. Love You Zindagi,
Yeah.
Gully Boy, and ये जवानी है दीवानी. मतलब कुछ भी. मतलब कुछ भी.
Cringe.
कुछ भी
Cringe
that.
fest.
कुछ भी, हाँ.
ये मेरे
ऐसे
को
में-
बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा।
ये स्टील बेच रहा है कम से कम 100 करोड़ साल का। उसने बोला 10-15 करोड़ की एड बनानी है जो हम 4-5 साल चलाएंगे इधर उधर।
Baba, this is not a 10 crore ad. This is a much more expensive one.
Oh God.
It's a 1 for me, 1 on 10. 1 for bringing them all together in the same room. That's it. Like, but I also do feel that whatever work Moonshot is doing right now, they're getting a lot of attention, especially from Tanmay Bhatt's sort of brand that he has created in the world of branding and advertising. But so I will not attribute this ad for the increase in Moonshot ka search volumes.
Fuck
Not
no.
entirely. Yeah. They-
Moonshot was the one that did Bold Hair, right?
Yes, they also did Cred, and they also did a lot of there, but for the next episode. But yes, Moonshot has done some. I feel like this year, talented Moonshot. इन दोनों का नाम रहा है. Talented agency. Moonshot is more like production house, video first, but
And again, both of them were together for AIB. And knowing that how Tanmay actually creates his ads, this is pathetic.
true.
The legacy he's created behind his
Yeah, that is a fair
copywriting
point.
and his storytelling, it's
इसका मतलब ये भी है कि भाई क्लाइंट ने बोला होगा नहीं सर ये नहीं चल रहा, आप ऐसे कर दो, आप ऐसे कर दो, आप ऐसे कर दो। ये भी हुआ ही होगा। उसका आप क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी हटा दो अगर। क्या पता यार, क्या पता वो सारी कहानियां। if somebody is watching, please drop an anonymous comment and tell us what really happened. Team Moonshot. So yeah, anyway, coming back to the ad with everything that we've discussed. Yes, 1, or is that raising a finger? 1. Okay, yeah, perfect. 1. Because we
Yes, sir.
don't want to be shot by
again,
the Rungta guys. So
yeah, man. But like
No,
Moonshot,
Can I change it to 2? Can I change it to 2?
because of Shah Rukh Khan.
You got it. You know me.
fair enough. Ash.
There's so much money that we can get the 3 biggest stars, make them do absolute shit.
Absolutely. But you know what?
Was that
Vimal
a
makes
statement?
better ads.
I don't know.
I feel
Vimal,
like
yeah,
I feel like
pathetic
it was
ad. Acid.
Waste of money.
This is worse than the acid reflux I have after.
I don't want to know.
Yeah. Anyway,
I don't want to know.
so
But,
on that note,
I want to point out good
Yes.
curation, Bhanja. Interesting ads because we saw like different
I-
types of ratings going
that's
around.
what I
Yeah,
it's again
I like
it comes down to the fact that ऐसे ही कुछ भी टट्टी नहीं देखेंगे, और टट्टी देखेंगे तो हाई क्लास टट्टी देखेंगे, एकदम महंगी वाली।
that. महंगी
जिसमें
वाली तो
हम
ये
steel
last वाली थी.
जिसमें हम
Steel-
steel pipes,
हाँ,
हम
sorry.
steel pipes बेचेंगे.
Yeah, you can follow me on They Call Me Weed. It's not. It's a
Ooh.
personal account. There's not much.
Account you can follow me on Harsh M Golani.
build from here. I think it'll be a lot of fun. It was informative and entertaining. That's all. Yeah, very grateful for both of you coming through, and would always want you to be a part of this because
I love what I really like and appreciate about this. My last thoughts is how the idea turned into action like this. As I knew the record.
Thanks, guys. See you.
Thank
See
you.
you very soon.
Chalo, bye.
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 See you. Bye.